शिक्षा शिक्षा का हमारे जीवन में बहुत बड़ी भूमिका रहती है। शिक्षा हमें समझदार बनाती है। शिक्षा हमें अपने हक को बतलाती है, अपने अधिकार को बतलाती है। नमस्कार मित्रों, मैं आपके साथ सुधीर। आज हम चर्चा करने वाले हैं संविधान में दिए गए एक महत्वपूर्ण फंडामेंटल राइट जो आर्टिकल 21A है, राइट टू एजुकेशन अर्थात शिक्षा का अधिकार। इस वीडियो के माध्यम से हम आपको RTE अर्थात राइट टू एजुकेशन एक्ट 2009 के बारे में बताएंगे और उसका पर्पस और उसका ओपिनियन, कोर्ट ओपिनियन क्या होता है। जो लोग अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए और वो लोग जो अभी तक लाइक नहीं किए वो सब्सक्राइब और लाइक जरूर करिएगा और अपना एक वैल्यूएबल कमेंट जरूर कमेंट बॉक्स में करिएगा। चलिए दोस्तों, चालू करते हैं। लेट स्टार्ट।
Article 21A. Article 21A was added to our Constitution 86th Amendment Act 2002 and declared the right to education as a fundamental right. It expressed that the state shall provide free and compulsory education to all children in the age group of 6 to 14 years as a fundamental right in the such a manner as the state may by law determine. In year 2009, the right to education was enacted by the Parliament of India to systematic implement the Article 21A. Right to Education Act. The Right to Education Act 2009, also known as the RTE Act 2009, was enacted by the Parliament on 4th August 2009. It's declared modality of the importance of free and compulsory education for children aged between 6 to 14 years in the India under Article 21A of the Constitution of India. This act came in the effect on 1st April 2010 and made India one of the 135 countries to have made education a fundamental right for every child. Next, right to children to free and compulsory education or RTE Act 2009. It represents the consequential legislation envisages under Article 21A, which means that every child has a right to full-time elementary education of satisfactory and equitable quality in a formal school that satisfies certain essential norms and standards. Next, main highlights of the Right of Education Act: ensuring all-round development of children, improving learning outcome to minimize detention, zero tolerance against discrimination and harassment of any kind, maintaining a balanced quality and quantity and quality of excellent teacher. Its court opinion. Court's opinion read self. Next, what is purpose of right to education? This act serves a building block to ensure that every child has his or her right or as any entitlement to get a quality elementary education, and that the state, with the help of families and committees, fulfill this obligation to promote the right to free and compulsory education to every child between the age of 6 to 14 years, to provide the means of learning to socially and economical worker section of the society. In the long run, education helps to property, reduce inequality, is making norms, ensure peace and economical growth in the country. Thank you watching this video, my dear friend. Okay, bye bye.